Hi, welcome to HardReset.info. In this video we are going to focus on one really interesting setting, Debounce time, and we are going to tell it in case of Pulsar Xlite V4 mouse, where we can change and set up this setting. So when you click your mouse, the tiny contacts inside might bounce, open and close very quickly before setting. And if your mouse registered every one of these tiny bounces, one click could accidentally become two. This is called double clicking or cluttering. So the bounce time is a small intentional delay measured in milliseconds. To set up the bounce time, we should use Pulsar. I'm gonna show you where it is, and I will continuously continue explain. So here in performance we have the bounce time. As you can see, it measured in milliseconds. Default the bounce time is 3 milliseconds. That your mouse used this time to ignore these unwanted tiny bounces. It's like your mouse saying, I just got a click, I'll wait a tiny moment to make sure this click is real, stable click, before telling the computer. So what it does, it prevents accidentally double clicking from a single press, for example, by filtering out this mechanical noise from the button. And lower the bounce time, of course, making your clicks register faster, which is great for gaming. For example, for Counter-Strike, the bounce time should be set to minimum. For example, higher the bounce time, your clicks will feel slightly less responsive, as there is a longer delay, but it will prevent any double clicking issues. For example, you can have two setups: one setup for gaming and one setup for office work, where for gaming you will use for example 0 or 1 milliseconds to bounce time, and 15 milliseconds or 10 milliseconds for office work. That's it, guys. Hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it's true, so leave me a like and comment below, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.